It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 24th of May. I'm Michael Groff. It was nice to have the break from the heat while it lasted over the last few days, but we're back to reality this week. Temperatures pretty close to 100 degrees each and every day. What about the weather for the upcoming holiday weekend? And when might we have our next chance at rain? We'll talk about that and everything else too. First, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 88 degrees the afternoon high, 59 was the morning low. Many spots around the valley got down into the low 50s yesterday morning. The normal high 97, the normal low 72. And as we take a look outside right now, here just after 7 a.m., we've got sunny sky out there, 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it is dry as a bone. Dew point at 16, relative humidity 14%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, we're showing 45 here at Fort McDowell, 55 at Goldfield, 58 in Gilbert, 59 at Surprise and up in North Phoenix. Otherwise, we are mainly in the 60s. The upper air look this morning shows a big ridge in the east. They're going to see near record heat in some spots, while our trough that brought in the cooler temperatures around here the last few days is lifting out across the northern Rockies, and so high pressure will slowly build in here. The watch warning map is extremely quiet. Some winter weather advisories over portions of Montana, wind over western North Dakota, some flood advisories on the Texas coastal plain. Otherwise, not much happening. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Midland, Lubbock, Texas, up toward Grand Island, Nebraska. The marginal risk extends all the way up toward Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Another little marginal risk zone across the Virginias. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, nothing region-wide. Most of the west is quiet, as is often the case here in late May and early June. And we'll talk about that as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big sprawling ridge in the east. Our trough here out across the west, now lifting up into Saskatchewan. And we are left with a dry westerly flow behind it. So down at the surface today, what you see is what you get. Sunny sky. Temperature is pretty close to average. We should be up in the mid-90s today. Tonight we are clear, warmer, overnight lows mainly in the 60s. Tomorrow, sunny, warmer, highs, I'd say between about 97 to 100. Pretty much the same deal on Wednesday, sunny, highs pretty close to the century mark. Thursday, we might add on a degree with sunny sky. High pressure mostly in control, and conditions will stay dry, troughing over the Pacific Northwest. Friday, this is likely the warmest day of the forecast period. Highs between about 100 to 103. The sky should be sunny to mostly sunny. Then as we go into the holiday weekend, we'll start to see an area of low pressure slowly developing to the west of us. The ultimate evolution of that feature is still very much in doubt. What it really means is high temperatures will back off a couple of degrees, back to the upper 90s to about 100 on both Saturday and Sunday. Each day, the sky sunny to mostly sunny. Then, here's a week from today. This is Memorial Day, May the 31st. We've got that low sitting just to the west of us, somewhere over the Great Basin or across Southern California. Wherever it ends up, looks like most of the models keep us dry with just a subtle increase in high clouds at best. Temperatures, again, mid to upper 90s, if that's right, with a pretty impressive ridge to the west of that along the west coast and nosing up into the Gulf of Alaska. And then as we look out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 2nd of June. We are now in meteorological summer. We've got a trough across the nation's midsection, maybe an opportunity for some strong storms lining up from the Great Lakes south toward Texas. Another short wave moving onto the Pacific Northwest coast. Meanwhile, here across Arizona and over the greater Southwest, a northwest flow aloft and high pressure in control, so that looks hot and dry. But look at what's lurking well down to the south. GFS shows a tropical system, maybe a tropical storm or a hurricane off of the southern tip of Baja. And the models have been somewhat consistent in trying to develop a tropical system here. But of course, the caveat that I always give you when we show you this stuff, this is 10 days out and a lot can change. And as we look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble, there are a few members that try to pick up on some very light rain. But really, this is a bunch of nothing for now. And temperatures off the national blend of models, you know the deal, folks. The long, hot summer is unfortunately here, and it's here to stay until, October. And that means high temperatures right around or above 100 degrees most days, overnight lows in the 60s and 70s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Crank up those air conditioners and have yourselves a wonderful Monday.